Hey guys, today we are learning some more basic Python programs. First, array rotation using temp array. Second, rotate array one by one. Third, array rotation using list slicing. Fourth, check given array is monotonic or not. First, array rotation using temp array. Def rotate array in parenthesis r comma n comma d temp is equal to in brackets I is equal to 0 while in parenthesis I is less than d colon then temp dot append in parenthesis r in brackets I then I is equal to I plus 1 then I is equal to 0 while in parenthesis d is less than n colon r in brackets I is equal to r in brackets d I is equal to I plus 1 d is equal to d plus 1 then r in brackets colon is equal to r in brackets colon I plus temp return r then next line r is equal to in bracket 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 then print in parenthesis in quotes array after left rotation is colon comma and is equal to in single quotes then next line print in parenthesis rotate array in parenthesis r comma len in parenthesis r comma 2 just save this file go to file save as then give file name as array.py save this file go to run module you can see the output array after left rotation is 3 4 5 6 7 1 2 next second rotate array one by one def left rotate in parenthesis r comma d comma n then colon next line for I in range in parenthesis d colon then left rotate by 1 in parenthesis r comma n next line def left rotate by 1 in parenthesis r comma n colon temp is equal to r in brackets 0 then for I in range in parenthesis n minus 1 colon then r in brackets I is equal to r in brackets I plus 1 then r in brackets n minus 1 then is equal to temp next line def print array in parenthesis r comma size, then colon. Next, for I in range, in parenthesis size, colon, then print in parenthesis in quotes percentage %d, percentage r in brackets I, comma, and is equal to double quotes, then r is equal to in brackets 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, give space between them. Then next, left, rotate in parenthesis r, comma 2, comma 7, print array in parenthesis r, comma 7. Go to file, save this file, save as, give file name, rotate 1 array dot py. Save this file, go to run module. You can see the output 3 4 5 6 7 1 2. Third, array rotation using list slicing. Def, rotate list in parenthesis r, comma d, comma n, colon, r in brackets, colon, is equal to r in brackets d, colon, n, plus r in brackets 0, colon, d, then return r. Next, r is equal to in brackets 1 2 3 5 4 6, print in parenthesis r, print in parenthesis in quotes, rotate list is, next line, print in parenthesis rotated list in parenthesis r, comma 2, comma len in parenthesis r, then go to file, save, desktop, give file name as array2.py, save, then run module. You can see the output 1 2 3 4 5 6, rotated list is 3 4 5 6 1 2. Then fourth, check given array is monotonic. Def is monotonic in parenthesis a, colon, return in parenthesis all, in parenthesis a, brackets I, then is less than equal to a in brackets I plus 1, then for I in range, then in parenthesis len in parenthesis a minus 1 or in parenthesis all, then a in brackets I, then is greater than is equal to A in brackets I plus 1 for I in range, in parenthesis len, in parenthesis A, minus 1, then next line A is equal to in bracket 6, 5, 4, then print in parenthesis is monotonic, then in parenthesis A, go to file, save as, give file name, give name as monotonic.py, then save, go to run module. You can see the output true.